Well, we escaped most of this Thursday without real heat and humidity thanks to those early morning showers and isolated thunderstorms. Just kind of took the edge off of the heat for today. That's not going to be the case tomorrow or Saturday. 13 weather ball is red. Hot weather ahead and just as humid. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. As expected, we thought that temperatures would stop in the mid 80s if we saw those showers, and that's exactly what happened. But we did forecast 92 yesterday, and so we have ended our streak of your 3-degree guarantee. But very warm, muggy nights coming up. Temperatures only in the mid and upper 70s, about as humid as it ever can be. We may see some late night thunderstorms, but those are going to be north both tonight and again tomorrow night. Not so much here Saturday night. Hot, very humid Friday and Saturday, highs in the 90s, dew points in the 70s. And then thunderstorms are likely Saturday night. They'll be ending from north to south, though, on Sunday. Top line, that's your feels like or your heat index forecast. We're going to climb to around 100 plus here both tomorrow afternoon and again Saturday afternoon. Bottom line is the actual high temperature. Upper 70s tonight, low 90s for your highs tomorrow and on Saturday. The early morning showers and isolated thunderstorms did produce some wind gusts from about Montague through the Fremont area on up through Elma, about 30 to 40 mile per hour winds. Still some power outages there, but the sun has come on out and we're going to stay clear most of the night tonight. We are tracking some clouds in the upper level jet coming in through here. Notice right in through here, there are some scattered showers right there. Those are what are going to develop right along this boundary over the next couple of hours, and that's going to push to the north here tonight instead of in our direction. Clear skies for most of the area through most of the night. It's going to be after about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. You can see these showers and storms coming on through Fremont, Big Rapids on up north of US 10 during the morning. They may recurve and then come down into eastern lower Michigan tomorrow afternoon, but I think that will escape most of West Michigan, and then they'll head down toward the Detroit and Port Huron area later on in the afternoon. And then Friday night, we'll see a repeat of that going again well off to our north through Saturday morning. So another sunny, hot day coming up on Saturday, and there'll be yet another line that will come through. I think this will expand Saturday night and then slowly push south on Sunday, ending from north to south, as I mentioned. Heat index values, this is approximately how hot it will feel during the day tomorrow. 100 plus to the north, maybe around 105 down to the south. That's heat warning criteria. And again, that's the same on Saturday. But you notice there is some relief starting to come in Saturday night, and especially on Sunday. This is what it will feel like. Even though high temperatures will be in the 80s, dew points are going to drop into the 50s. So it'll feel more like the mid 70s to near 80. Quite a change. Very colorful map along the lakeshore here tomorrow. Partly to mostly sunny skies, upper 80s north, around 90 Muskegon, low 90s. The gray areas, that's a clean air action day. To the north, there is a heat advisory for heat index values 100 or higher. Up north, you just have a heat advisory in the orange there. Highs tomorrow right around 90, maybe a little hotter there in Fremont and in Greenville. And from areas southward, we're looking at that clean air action day here in the Kent, Ottawa, and Muskegon County areas, where highs will be in the mid 90s, and we'll all be under a heat warning with highs in the low to mid 90s with those very high dew points. 13 on your side forecast. Relief coming on Sunday as that cold front moves through. The showers and storms will be ending from north to south, and a much more pleasant feeling weather pattern much of next week. Highs around 80 Monday and Tuesday, low and mid 80s by the end of the week, but a little bit of that humidity creeps back in Thursday through the following weekend. And again, if we don't get much rain over the next 3 days, we won't see any probably until almost the end of the month.
You know, George, I know some people do like mid-90s, but I think more people like the mid-80s.
They certainly do. I can guarantee you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.